What is GitHub? GitHub is a code hosting platform for collaboration and version control. GitHub lets you and others work together on projects. GitHub essentials are repositories, branches, commits, pull requests, and a Git version control system. Repository. A GitHub repository can be used to store a development project. It can contain folders and any type of files like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, document, data, and images. A GitHub repository should also include a license file and a README file about the project. A GitHub repository can also be used to store ideas or any resources that you want to share. GitHub branch. A GitHub branch is used to work with different versions of a repository at the same time. By default, a repository has a master branch, which is the production branch. Any other branch is a copy of the master branch as it was at a point in time. New branches are for bug fixes and features work separate from the master branch. When changes are ready, they can be merged into the master branch. If you make change to the master branch while working on a new branch, this update can be pulled in. Commits. At GitHub, changes are called commits. Each commit change has a description explaining why a change was made. And the last point about GitHub is pull request. Pull requests are the heart of GitHub collaboration. With a pull request, you are proposing that your change should be merged or pulled in with the master. Pull requests show content differences, changes, additions, and subtractions in color green and red. As soon as you have a commit, you can open a pull request and start a discussion even before the code is finished. That's the introduction to the GitHub. Let's go to github.com and create an account and create a repository or fork a repository and start coding there. Have fun. Bye-bye.